how to add a custom quiz to a GoHighLevel funnel. Yes, that's what we're going to be going over right now. Let me just show this to you. All right, so first off, if you want a custom code that looks like this, then you just want to go over here. You can experience it yourself. You can see how all that works. And also, this is just a heads up. Anybody who buys in right now, if you're one of the first 150 people to buy, then you are going to get a custom CSS quiz designed by yours truly. You just tell me what you want, kind of put it together in here, and I will design a completely custom CSS for you. You'll know, I'll send you an email, you'll get that from me, and then whatever you want, I will build. I guarantee it. All right, so I'm going to show you two ways to do this. The first way is not going to incorporate anything having to do with PrettyQuizCodes. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in GoHighLevel. Ready? Here we go. All right, so first thing you're going to do is you are going to come over here. You're going to have your quiz. Now, if you don't have custom CSS in it, that's okay. You're just going to see these elements. The elements are popped up over here. That's where you got them from. Cool. Now, you see this preview button, and then you also have the integrate button, okay? So you can proceed. This is where we want to get this, the embedded code, okay? Now, the issue with this, though, is whenever we embed this, it's not going to look outstanding. It's going to take up way too much. So you want to take this, but you want to put it into your funnel. Ready? All right, so we're going to grab this, copy, and then we're going to go back. I'm just going to drop out of here. We're going to go to a funnel. I don't know what account I'm in, but let's see. Where am I? Oh, all right, cool. So a new funnel. We're not going to go into anything crazy. New funnel. Whatever. Test. 55. And let that build, because all we need is just one. That's all I'm trying to do is just build like one quick little step here. Test. And then next for the path is going to be test. Cool, so that's going to drop out. Create the funnel step. And now we're here. So you can build this however you want. I'm just showing you how to create from blank, okay? Whenever we get this up and running, we are going to, it's loading and loading and loading. All right, so we have the one, and then we're going to go down here to our custom code. And now swing right here, toss that in. And this is what it's going to look like, right? You have your iframe, your script, and then we can go ahead and save this and see what happens, see how it looks. This is good. We don't want to make this all the way wide, all right? You would do this right now. Allow rows to take the entire width. If I toggle that, the whole thing is going to take up the whole space. We don't want that because this is just a quiz. It's only supposed to sit in that area. So we'll save and we'll see how it looks. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so you can kind of see that it made the page really small, and now we have a double bar here going on, which we don't want. Like, don't love this. That was not the goal here. Definitely not the goal. So, but this is how you can embed this into a page. Let's kill that preview because I don't love that. So let's see what it would look like if we let's go ahead and duplicate this or not. I'm gonna grab a double. I just want to pull this up, pull this down here. So I want to see what it looks like. We'll kill all that. I'm not actually saying it, I gotta watch my language on here. And then we can, let's see, we'll throw in a button on this side. All right, so let's see what happens whenever we do this. Because I want you to see that you can just embed this into your page, and this is how you kind of embed that. And now we have it, but it's still like it's here and cool, it's showing, and then boom, you have your quiz, and then you can say, whatever you want. So as they're going through this and they're still doing it, you could throw an image, you could throw a button that sends them somewhere, an option. And this is a way to like really make this easy and impactful for your website, right? Like this is how you kind of do that. But if you wanted to just make this a standalone, which I like to do, I don't like having that bar. This is what I would recommend. So now I'm going to show you the other way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to so this is what I'm going to tell you. Open code editor. This preview link right here, which technically it's not, but all you need is this. This is what we need to use it for any kind of embedding code. So actually, let me pause out of this because I don't want to waste your guys' time. Let me pause. I'm going to go back to the quiz. Okay, and I'm back. So I ran back over here to the where we were at, and now I'm going to grab this. You can see this integrate code, but I don't want to do that actually. I just want to grab this preview code and proceed. And let's see where it takes me because I want to grab that link. And now whenever I grab the link, I'm going to head over to a workspace and let's go to example. Oof, throw up a quiz, free build, paste that in there, detect fields. Let's go. And I don't care about this stuff. I just want to apply it. So down here at the bottom, we get the page embedded code. And so now all I have to do is just copy that, head back over to this page, and we are going to toss this in right here, right here. Move that. Let's go ahead and get some elements back on the screen. Cool. So we have code. Save that. And we are going to throw that. Perfect. There we go. And now it's going to come up across the entire screen. And this is how you kind of embed in a full, and you don't have to worry about that anchor or the bar here. So this is what I like to do because whenever you see it on mobile, I don't know what the background is on this. Do not judge me. All right, cool. Up. Let's see. And so whenever you see it on mobile, it's going to take up the frame. Cool. So this is kind of like more so what you're going to see whenever you're on a mobile view, but this is like not the best example of it because it does make it a little bit smaller. But then you're able to engage, and it's more of the experience that I want the user to have whenever we're going through this, right? So so anyways, this is how you embed a quiz into a landing page. I hope that helped. And as I said, if you are one of the first buyers, or even if you're not, reach out, and I'm happy to assist. We've got people in, and I'm helping them every day. So you'll just be one of those people who get an amazing quiz, an amazing fully automated system that connects to the quiz with all the scoring logic and everything you could possibly need. So I hope that was helpful, and till the next one.